This food can lower your creatinine levels because it fights diabetes, it fights cholesterol, it fights inflammation, and it tastes so good. Gathering here, in today's video, I will not just share with you a very tasty recipe made with ingredients that are 100% kidney friendly, low in potassium, and that boasts powerful healing properties. I will also show you exactly how to use one of the most powerful medicinal foods in the world to repair your kidneys. This is a superfood with some of the most powerful kidney protecting benefits. While many foods are considered superfoods today, there are just a few foods with real, documented and proven healing benefits which are really useful for people suffering from kidney disease. This is one of them. I'm not exaggerating when I say that eating this food every day might get you rid of one or two of your prescription medications. A recent study found out that this superfood can effectively lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Diabetic patients who enjoy this food every day had an incredible result. In just 12 weeks, their fasting blood sugar went down on average by 19.41 milligrams per DL. And there is more. In a different study, people suffering from high cholesterol were able to lower their LDL or bad cholesterol by an average of 30 points in just 3 months by eating this food every day. The participants in both studies also lost weight significantly compared to the placebo group. This food was even able to lower blood pressure importantly in the participants. Researchers believe that it acts as a natural calcium channel blocker and natural ACE inhibitor. And guys, these are incredible results, especially because this is just a food. I'll show you the best recipe to get all these benefits in a moment. Before that, I just want to say thanks to Ridge for sponsoring today's video. I've been using the Ridge wallet for a while now and I think it's awesome. My old wallet sits in a drawer since I got this one. The Ridge wallet fits into my pocket better than anything else and it still holds up to 12 cards plus cash. Not to mention that it comes with a lifetime warranty. There is also a 15% discount going on for all the wallets at Ridge.com, so right now is the best moment to get one. Check the link down in the description for a 15% discount on your new wallet. Back to this amazing superfood now, because I've kept the best benefit for last. This is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It is so powerful at fighting inflammation in the kidneys that it was even tested to see if it can lower creatinine levels. And it worked! And while this is just a study on animals, it's incredible that the food can do what medications cannot. So, are you ready to see what food can get you rid of one or two medications, lower your inflammation, lower your cholesterol, your blood pressure, and even maybe your creatinine levels? The only food in the world that can do all that is ginger. And guys, while there are many ways you can incorporate ginger in your diet, there is only one recipe that's so healthy it can actually enhance the properties of ginger. Because in this incredibly tasty smoothie, I've also added 4 other ingredients that will help you. Let's start with this beauty. This one can help you lower cholesterol levels and boosting your antioxidant levels. This is a red Williams pear and yes, it tastes as good as it looks. Red Williams pears are even richer in antioxidants than regular pears and they are lower on the GI scale than apples. Yes, pears are a really underestimated fruit full of health benefits. This pear also packs more than 2 times the fiber you get from a cup of kale, but with less than half the potassium. And guys, notice that I'm not peeling this pear. I'm just coring it and put it in the blender. This is because most of the nutrients of this incredible fruit are in or just below its peel. Our next entry is a source of healthy fats, which is crucial to make our smoothie creamy. And just like ginger, this small seed is one of the few foods in the world that can actually lower your creatinine levels. This is flaxseed. I've been studying everything that works to improve the most important markers for kidney health, and there are few foods that are way more powerful than anything else you can find. One of them is flaxseed. All the foods I'm showing you have proven benefits, but flaxseed is especially powerful for people with inflammatory kidney disease. There are studies showing that flaxseed can improve kidney function in people with inflammatory nephritis thanks to its impressive anti-inflammatory properties. And let's talk about flaxseed and diabetes. In an 8-week study in 57 people with type 2 diabetes, those who consume 1 ounce or 30 grams of flax seeds per day experienced significant reductions in HbA1c compared with those who didn't. So you may see that I'm not exaggerating when I say that this smoothie can help you. And guys, if you are having troubles finding one or more of these ingredients, feel free to ask in comment section for substitutions. Maybe I can help you find alternatives. Our next ingredient, half lemon. Here. This is one of the most misunderstood fruits on earth. People think that it's acidic when it's really alkaline, great to protect the kidneys. People think that it has poisonous seeds, but the seeds are incredibly healthy. Researchers believe lemon seeds help improve digestive health, treat skin problems due to their antibacterial properties. Not to mention that we usually juice lemons, and doing this, we discard the healthiest parts, the pith, which is good for you because it's incredibly rich in dietary fiber, and the peel, which is a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients, way more than lemon juice. So don't squeeze lemons, just wash them and put them in a smoothie with seeds, pith, and peel. Okay guys, there is one more ingredient here with health benefits even more unsuspected than those of lemon. This nut is called Brazil nut, and it's basically the only good source for a renal diet of a mineral that you really need, selenium. Let's see how to put this together now. We already have all the ingredients in the blender. Let's add just enough water for the blender to work. I like my smoothies creamy. And don't forget to add a couple of ice cubes so it doesn't get too hot during the preparation. Time to taste it! It has a soft taste. It's delicious. And it will help you feeling better immediately because it fights nausea and inflammation. Now guys, what many people don't know about Brazil nuts is that you can use them to reverse kidney disease. Yes, this is what a recent study found out. The selenium present in them was used to achieve a fast increase in kidney function in a study published on a prestigious paper. What you need to know is that they combine selenium from Brazil nuts with a second key nutrient to achieve, in just 6 weeks, this amazing result. Guys, I really recommend watching my video about this incredible way of improving kidney health if you have missed it. It's up here, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching.